What's up? Over here, son. I'm hanging out. This is really my first time bringing out my A6400 with this 18 to 135. Ooh, boy. 18 to 135 lens I got, Sony lens. So yeah, just testing this out, man. Come on, y'all. Vlog style, literally. I'm holding the camera in my arms. So I just have it out, 18 millimeters, you know. So I like it, honestly. What up?
Hello.
So kind of forcing myself to learn the Sony system. There's lens though. You drank all of it.
I did all of it.
Okay. Oh, okay. Come on, y'all. Let me zoom in. So this is a 18 to 135 millimeter.
You want to swing?
That's pretty good.
I want to swing now.
Look at that bokeh, man. That bokeh. They said you couldn't get no bokeh with zoom lenses, man. They lied, my guy. That back, look at that blurry background back there. The car is blurry, the background is blurry. It's auto-focusing on his face. You know what I'm saying? You're missing some teeth, girl.
It's sad today. It's sad today.
You're missing some teeth. Okay. All right, sit down. Oh, that looks great. All right, stay right there. It looks great. Stay right there. All right, y'all can talk. Y'all don't gotta. It's not a picture. Y'all can talk. So, all right, hold on. I'm coming in again.
used to be nature in the forest. This whole thing is now a path. It turned into a path, but it was a river. So all these shows wasn't